Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMRN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute? In case you're new to charts, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Now, I will say that from a presentation standpoint where I sit, this is a very tricky chart to talk about because there's a lot of perspective that goes into it. What do I mean by that? Well, if you are some sort of day trader, scalper, flipper, whatever you want to call yourself, and you bought there, you bought right there, who knows, maybe even bought right there, and your plan was to buy and sell within 25 minutes, well then yeah, from that point of view, the chart's looking really bad. Now, if you care about the big picture of things, then I get it. From the highs, there was a pretty big pullback. But from the grand scheme of it all, the price still has plenty of opportunity to chip away and build a higher base. And as long as higher bases are being built over extended periods of time, that's how long-term uptrends are constructed. I'm going to be talking about things from a bigger picture point of view. So if I sound crazy calling something bullish, my guess would be you probably had more of a day trading type mentality going into the trade. So, and I'm not saying this is what's going to happen at all, but just for example's sake, let's say that the price actually pulls back quite a bit more and goes all the way down to $16.20. Now, again, I'm not saying that's going to happen, but $16.20, let's say that's where the price heads down to. So price comes down here, behaves like that, and then starts to work its way back upwards. Now, emphasis here on big picture. If that were to happen, from the big picture, what do you still have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have lows there. You'd have lows there. You'd have lows there. You'd have lows there, and you'd have even lows down there. And then if you envision each of these as stair steps, what do you have? Well, from the big picture, you still very, very, very clearly have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's what truly strong moves do over time. They make progress forward. So now, once again, I'm well aware that if you're a day trader and you bought up there, then yeah, you definitely don't care about these stair steps. But that's why I try to offer up a warning that I would be commenting from the bigger picture point of view. So sure, today the price pulled back, but stop and think about that word, today. As in one day. Looking at multiple days as we're doing here, you can see the price still has plenty of opportunity to chip away and build a higher base. So let's see if the bulls can get that job done or not next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.